Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi lessons channel. So today we're going to be doing math symbols in Sepedi. So without further ado, let's get right in our today's video. So the first one, we have plus or addition sign. Plus means hlakanye. Plus means hlakanye. Plus means hlakanye. The next one, we have minus or subtraction. Minus means ncha. Minus means ncha. Minus means ncha. The next one, we have division or divide. Division is called arula. Division is called arula. Division is called arula. The next one, we have multiply or multiplication. Multiply means atisha. Multiply means atisha. The next one, we have less than. So less than means kafasera. Less than means kafasera. The next one, we have more than. More than means kagodimora. More than means kagodimora. The next one, we have equals to. Equals to means ilikanali. Equals to means ilikanali. So that's it for our today's video. Stay tuned for more